Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, I've got quite a nice, easy, simple snow scene for you today. Well, I say simple, I mean it's probably not for a beginner, more for an intermediate, but it doesn't take ages and it's relatively easy to do. Now the scene that I'm actually drawing today is taken from a painting by a Scottish artist called Joseph Farquharson, and he painted a lot of these Scottish winter snow scene type landscapes. Check his work out on Google, I think you'll really like it. This particular painting that I'm doing is actually titled To Winter's Quarters, and I'm drawing this one out on my usual Daler Rowney smooth heavyweight A4 drawing paper. Now occasionally I get asked if my drawing board is at an angle or if it's flat on a desk, because it's very hard to see in the videos. You can't get any kind of sense of angle or anything on the board. So basically, yes, I'm working with my drawing board at an angle of about 10 to 15 degrees. I find it much easier to work that way. It really helps with neck ache and shoulder ache, and it stops you from, leaning over your desk, kind of stooping over your desk and getting all cramped up in your neck and your shoulders and everything. So about 15 to 20 degrees puts the drawing board at a really nice angle for you. You should be nice and comfortable as well, throughout the course of your drawing. And as usual, this drawing project is a full tutorial over on my Patreon channel. I think there's 11 videos to accompany this, 3 reference photos, black and white, close-in versions of this, coloured versions of it. So you've got a good selection there to help you work along with this. I give you full instructions and I talk about what I'm doing all in real time as you work through the video. So you should be able to do this one nice and easy. Right, okay, so thanks very much for watching everyone. If you like the drawing, I would really appreciate a like on the video. It helps the channel to get noticed with the YouTube algorithms, and it's really helpful. So thanks again everyone, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.